Okay then, here goes. On the screen you can see a storyboard of my main page. This is what it's going to look like. I've decided on this particular table layout where I've got my main border here, and then I've got some pictures, and then underneath each picture I'm going to put a brief explanation about Alfie. So the next thing I need to do is I need to go to the Wikispaces course, and I need to go and find the table that best looks like the one that I want to do. And actually, I think it's probably this one here. It's not perfect because you can see it's only got 2 rows and mine has 4. But I should be able to improve on this. So what I want to do is I want to copy this. So I want to highlight all the code like this. And copy, I'm going to use Control and C. I can then go into Thimble. Here's my thimble here. And it's going to go underneath all about Alfie, and I'm going to move that writing into the main bit. So over here, this is where I want my excuse me, this is where I want my table to go. So I'm just going to go after the P tag, and I'm just going to paste in using Control and V my table. You can see there's all the code there. And if I click over here, and if I refresh and update, you can see I've got my table in place. So what I can do now is start editing the table. So for example, I can click on border 1 and change that to 0. And you can see that the grid lines disappear. I'll leave that back in just now. I need to move this title into the main heading, and that's nice and easy. I just simply take this writing. I'm going to do Control and X to cut it out. And where my main heading is, I'm going to paste it in there. Do you notice that it hasn't taken my style, so the P style? So what I could do is I could take this P here and cut it out, and then go outside the end of the table and paste in the P tag there and update. And you can see, hopefully, that style has changed too. Now, what about adding in some more rows? Because on my design, I've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Well, to do that, if I go back to Thimble, and if I just move up a bit, you can see this section here. I just highlight it. Can you see how it's highlighted over here? That is the adding row section. So I could copy it using Control and C. And then I could just simply press Enter to go underneath and paste it in, Control and V. And if I just simply click over here and update, you can see I've added in another row, and I can keep on doing that too. So that's the basics about adding in a table to the section area. If you've got any questions, go into Thimble and have a look. Go into Thimble, go into Wikispaces and have a look further.